Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's a lot of the Goodman units. They sound nice. This one is pretty noisy. Here are some Lennox units. I don't know what that is. This Lennox is also running. Can get the data off of this one. It's from 2010, and it's a 60,000 BTU. Oh wow, what is that? I think that's a compressor. Holy shit! It's noisy. Here's a American Standard. What the hell? I think that was like a gas compressor or something. That scared the crap out of me. Yeah, the Goodman Lennox. I'm gonna see if there's any in here. Oh, there's an LG wall unit. Hang on, did I already go to this place? I'm not sure if I did. Yeah, I don't see any units here. I think I might as well just end the video. Hang on. Wonder if there's some on that side. Yeah, I don't know what that was. It was like a air compressor or something that just randomly went off. I'm gonna see what's around this building here. I don't see any air conditioners. Oh wait, what's around that building? Are those air conditioners? Oh, here's one. An LG window unit, wall unit, whatever. Wait a minute. Is that a scroll compressor? Oh, I think it's a rotary. Yeah, that's a rotary. Of course, it's one of those. Almost always have rotaries. I hear something. Oh wow, what is that? That's a huge package unit. Oh, it's a chiller. Yeah, this is a chiller. It's a Carrier Aquasnap. Oh, it's huge. Pretty noisy as well. Yeah. And that's where I was back over there. Yeah, I think that's a chiller actually. It's pretty big. Oh, I thought there were air conditioners there, but they're not, so I'm gonna end the video here.